see the optical disk. Last class we have seen the hard disk, floppy disk, everything, right? So today's class will see the optical disk. Optical disk can be formed following types. There are different types of optical disk. Optical disk means, you know what you mean by optical disk, isn't it, right? So we'll see CD, DVD, flash drives. This drives we will be calling it as an optical disk. Here you can see this, we call it as a compact disk. CDs and all you have seen already. Yes, compact disk. CD means compact disk. It will be with a circular coated. Means it will be always in the circular, but it will be coated with the plastic disc enclosed. Means it will be coated with the plastic, but we can see when it when we shake it, it will be in the form of a color. Reflected materials will be there. Okay, sometimes it will be rainbow colors or sometimes only one color will be there. Then it is used to store the images, musics or a video files. How much MB will be there? The CD can store up to 700 MB of data. So optical disc can be divided into following types: CD, DVD and flash drive. No. Optical disc. It is a circular plastic disc enclosed within a highly reflective material. Means it will be circular plastic disc. Okay, then it will be the color changing also will be there when we do the shaking part. CDs are very useful for storing the images, musics and the video files. A CD can store up to 700 MB of data. Okay, next, a CD drive is a device a computer used to read the data encoded on the computer disk. CD drive means it is one of the device of a computer. It is only used to read the data what we have inserted in the computer disk. Okay, next we will see the DVD. DVD means digital versatile disc. It's look like a similar like a CD only, but it will be holding 25 times more than the data than the CD. Means it will hold the more data, means 25 times. Suppose it the CD holds 700 times, 700 into 25 times it can be, it will be the capacity will be there. What is the storage capacity of the DVD? The range means it will start from 4.7 GB to 17 GB of DVDs we will be getting in our shops. Next, a DVD can be used to store the many movies on a single disc. In the single disc, you can store the many movies in the DVD. You can also play the CDs on the DVDs player, but you cannot play the DVDs on the CD player. You have to keep that in the reminder. When we are playing, CDs can be played in the DVD player, but you cannot play the DVDs on the CD player. Have you got children now? The DVD looks similar to the CD, but it can hold up to 25 times more than the data. More data than the CD. The storage capacity of DVD range from 4.7 GB to 70 GB. A DVD can be used to store the many movies on the single disc. Have you got children now? Next we will see the flash drive. Okay, what do you mean by flash drive? It is a plug and play devices. It is also known as a pen drive, USB flash drive, data stick, keychain drive and a thumb drive. This and all we will be calling it as a flash drive. Means we will be knowing means flash drive is means it is a plugging and playing. It is also known as a pen drive also. For the pen drive, this many names we will be calling it. Okay, next, flash drive is used to transfer and store the data. It is used to transfer the data and store the information in the pen drive or a flash drive. Flash drives are available in the following sizes. What are the sizes? 256 MB, 512 MB, 1 GB, 4 GB, 16 GB and the higher 32 GB. We can see 32 GB, 64 GB nowadays. Next, flash drives operates the fast, holds the more data and more reliable than other storage devices like a floppy disk, CD and the DVD. means it will stores the more data. It is very reliable means it can the storing capacity means wherever if you want you can take it. It's like a pocket, you can keep it in the pocket also, but not like a floppy disk CDs and the DVDs. In the DVDs and all, if it scratches comes, it will make so much of mistakes, right? Means it will not run. Have you got children now?